Annyeonghaseyo. Annyeonghaseyo. Ever dreamed of learning Korean? Today, we're embarking on an exciting challenge, mastering Korean in just 1 week. Yes, you heard that right, 1 week. If you've ever been intrigued by the melodious sounds of Korean, or you're planning a trip to the heart of Seoul, then you're in the right place. Welcome to our 1-week Korean crash course. Whether you're a language enthusiast or a first-time learner, this video is your ticket to learning Korean fast and easy. Learning a new language can be daunting, especially one as unique as Korean. The unfamiliar scripts, sounds, and sentence structures can seem like a steep mountain to climb. That's the challenge of language learning. It pushes us out of our comfort zones, into a world where we're not fluent, not adept, not in control. But let's reframe that challenge. Instead of seeing it as a barrier, let's see it as an adventure, a journey into a new culture and a new way of thinking. Yes, Korean is complex, but it's also logical, beautifully structured, and deeply linked to the country's rich history and culture. The key is not to be intimidated by the complexity, but to embrace it. Remember, every language learner starts at the bottom of the mountain. It's the climb that makes the journey worthwhile. But fear not, with dedication and the right strategies, you can make significant progress in just 1 week. Our strategy is simple: focus on the essentials. Let's begin with the basic greetings. Start with Annyeonghaseyo for hello, 감사합니다 for thank you, and 죄송합니다 for sorry. These simple phrases can go a long way in initiating conversations. Next, we dive into the Korean alphabet, Hangul. It's a beautifully designed system with 24 letters, 14 consonants, and 10 vowels. The beauty of Hangul lies in its simplicity and logic, making it accessible for beginners. Now let's touch upon the fundamental grammar rules. Korean grammar is quite different from English, but don't let that intimidate you. The sentence structure typically follows a subject-object-verb pattern. For example, I apple eat instead of I eat an apple. Lastly, understanding sentence structures will set a solid foundation for your Korean language journey. By familiarizing yourself with the common patterns, you can easily construct your own sentences. By focusing on these essential elements, you will be able to grasp the basics of Korean quickly. The key to rapid language acquisition is immersion. You see, learning a language isn't just about memorizing words and grammar rules. It's about understanding a culture, a way of life. And what better way to do that than to immerse yourself in Korean media? Listen to K-pop, watch Korean dramas or movies, read Korean news or webtoons. The more you expose yourself to the language, the faster you'll pick it up. Next, make a habit of practicing speaking and writing daily. Even if it's just a sentence or two, it's important to keep the language alive in your everyday life. Speak to yourself, write in a journal, or even better, find a language exchange partner. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. In fact, mistakes are an essential part of the learning journey. They are opportunities for growth, so don't shy away from them. Instead, embrace the learning process. In conclusion, learning Korean in 1 week is ambitious but achievable. Remember, the key is to focus on the essentials, immerse yourself in the language, and don't fear mistakes. With consistent practice and a dash of courage, you'll be surprised at the progress you can make. So are you excited to embark on this linguistic adventure? Ready to start your Korean learning journey? Hit subscribe for more language learning tips, and let us know in the comments if you're up for the challenge. 감사합니다 for watching.